let's continue. Today we are going to look at how to use the lasso tool as I promised. The messages I'm getting now is most of you guys are facing problem using the polygonal lasso tool. Yes, so today we are going to look at how to use it. So let's assume this is our picture. This is the picture we are going to use. So you click on it to open picture right now. So you know where our lasso tool is already. When you come to the tool panel, we have our lasso tool in here, and if you want to use the shortcut, it's just L. You press on L on your keyboard. If you press L from your keyboard and you are getting this plus sign, that means your caps lock is on. So you need to turn it off. You turn your caps lock off, and this is what we are going to get. So you just start from a starting point. Anywhere you can start from the head, you can start from wherever you want to start from. Is that okay? So me, I'm starting from the edge here. So all that I'm going to do is what you click. You are using right clicking, so you click and you release your hands, then you start dragging your mouse over the objects. Is that okay? Where you want to use the cutting, where you want to do the cutting, you just move your mouse cursor around it as I am doing now. So whilst you are moving it, then you'll be clicking. Is that okay? You don't just move it and then it will be doing it for you automatically. No, whilst we are using the polygonal lasso tool, you need to do clicking. So whilst you are moving it, then you will be clicking in that order. So you move, you click, you move, you click, you move, you click in that order. So let's assume this place is okay for us. So we are doing it gradually, small. So when you get here, you just bring it back, because this is the place we want to take the image out. So you just bring it back, and then you bring it to the starting point. When it gets to the starting point, you see that we are going to have a small circle. You see right now we are not seeing any circle attached to the tool. You see we don't have any small tool. That image there like a bed. Yeah, but when we bring it to the starting point, you see we are getting a small circle. I hope you can see. Yes, let me zoom it out again for you so that you can see it well. When we bring it to the starting point, you see we are having a small circle attached to it. When we take it off, the small circle don't come again. So that means we are now at the starting point. So you click on it. By clicking on it, you see we have a selected area here. Now the layer is locked, so we can take off the background. When we do that, we are going to get a white space here. So all that we need to do is to unlock the layer. So you unlock the layer, then you press on the delete or backspace from your keyboard, the delete key or the backspace. So I press on backspace. You see right now it's no more. So let me go back and then show you something here. When the layer is locked like this, then you press delete. You see it is not even going. Yeah, you press on backspace, it is not even going. So all that you need to do is to unlock it and then press on delete, then it will go. So this is how you do it. So you take it gradually. When you want to see it, when you zoom the image out, the image that you are dealing with, or the object you are doing the background remover, you zoom it out and then you take your time and then do it small. It's not just one day. You just need to practice it to become perfect. Is that okay? Yeah, don't just say you are using one day to do it. It's small, gradually you will get there. It's small. You don't just use just one day. It depends. If you are fast learner, you can just use one day, or even 1 hour or 2 hours, even 30 minutes to become perfect with it. So it depends on how you learn. But if you are not getting it, you can just take your time and do it gradually, small. So as you see I'm doing it, then it will be selected. As you can see, the selection area has been selected. Then you press on your backspace, then it is no more. Yes, so that is how you are to do it. So if you are finding it difficult, you just zoom the image, and then you do the cropping or you do the cutting. Yes, So that is it. It's not difficult, very easy. Then hit on delete. So as you can see right now, it has been what? We don't have a background with it anymore. The background has been taken off. You see, we only have the image left. We only have the image left right now. Yes, so can you see it is only the image without a background? Yes. So this is how we use the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool. This one, the polygonal lasso tool. So when you want to use the lasso tool itself too, as I told you earlier, we have so many different tools. You see, so many different cutting tools. So it depends on you what you want to use and what is perfect for you. So let's try this with the lasso tool. You just click on it and then you select the lasso tool. When you want to click on it, right, you left click on it. Is that okay? Is the third tool after the move tool. Then we come to the elliptical marquee tool. Then we come to the polygonal lasso tool. You right click on it, then the other tools will pop up. So let's check with the lasso tool. So the lasso tool is the same procedures. Let's unlock it. It's the same procedures. Is that okay? But that one, you don't click and then you move it, then you click. But what you do is what? You click and you drag. You see, you click and you drag. So you take it off. You click. You click and hold. Then you will be dragging. You see, that one is different from the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool. That one you need to click and then click, move and you click, move and you click. Yes. So you have much control as compared to the lasso tool itself. So me, I don't like using the lasso tool. Yes, I don't like using the lasso tool. It depends on you. So if you prefer using the lasso tool, you can do that. Yes, by me, I don't like using the lasso tool. So as you can see, this is how we do it. So you can also use the pen tool. This is the pen tool here, which the shortcut is P. So you click on the pen tool, you click on it, you see a whole lot of tools are here, but we are using the pen tool. So you select the pen tool. After selecting the pen tool, you come to the top here. You see here we have shape. You click on the shape, then you choose path. You choose path instead of shape. You choose path because we are not drawing shape. So you choose path, and then you come and start taking away the background. So that one too, you click, you drag, and you click again, then you curve it. You press and hold, then you curve it. So right now you want to take this thing off. So when you want to take it off, you just press on what? You just press on Alt, then you click. Then you click, then it will take, you see it has taken that path away. So we have two edges or two lines. This one was here and the other one was here. But the moment you hold Alt and then click on it, the other one will vanish. So we now have only one path. So this is what we are doing. You just click again. You don't click and release your hands like this, then you drag. Okay, you drag. So you press or you click and hold. See, we have two lines like this. So you hold Alt, then you zoom in to the point here. You see we have a point here. So when you zoom in and then you put your cursor onto the point, you see the cursor is now what? It's empty, but when you put it here, it's drawing some is it either greater than or less than shape like that. Yeah, so when you get there, then you click on it whilst you are holding your Alt key, then you do that again in that order. You see, so you can also use this one to do your background remover. Yes, so you need to do it small so that you get what you get your perfect shape. What you want to take it out, you get it well. So I've taken my time so that you guys will go through and then know how to do it. Don't rush in doing it. It's gradual. Is that okay? So you have to take your time and then do it small. So as I said, we have more different background removal tools. Yes, so you need to attempt all of them you need to learn all of them and you choose the one that works best for you. See this place, I didn't hold alt and then delete the one line. That is why I am getting this. So I just zoom it out and then hold alt. And here is it. Yes. So now I can continue like this. Another alt, then you click, then you drag, you press and hold. There is a curve here, so you not use a straight line. You just bend them to suit your preference. Then yes, let's take it. This is the ear. Let's go back. This is the point. You click, then there is no more point again. You bring it. So as I'm doing, you just follow along. You just follow along, and then you'll be doing it as I'm doing. You need to take your time and then be doing it small. That's better. Okay, so we just take your time and then do it. Let's finish it. Let's finish it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's very important. Subscription is totally free. Yes, subscription is totally free. You don't have to pay anything before you subscribe to the channel. So all that you do to support me is subscribing to the channel. So now we are done with what? Okay, I think this place is not all that perfect. Let's take it. Then we also do something small here. Okay, we bring it here. Then and here too. Okay, so now we are done. The same thing when you are done, you just come to the starting point. You click on it like this. See, we have this. So after we are done with the selection, you right click on it, then you come to make selection. You click on make selection, then the feather you just hit. Let's take one. Yes, you just hit one. I will explain the feather on other videos, but let's take one and click on it. You see there's going to be a selection here. So as you can see, there's a selection right now. So you can also right from here, you can use the lasso tool. You can just choose the lasso tool, click on the lasso tool. Don't do any other thing again. You click on the lasso tool, then you bring the cursor inside the picture like this. As you can see, you see when you take it outside, it's giving us different shape. When you bring it inside too, it's giving us a different let me say here pointer. So you right click on it, then you select inverse. After selecting inverse, you press on what? Your backspace to take away the background. You press on backspace like this. Now there is no background again. So now we want to take away the selection. All that you need to do is what? Is to press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Ctrl D stands for deselect. So as you can see, the background is not there anymore. Yes, so you do it, you just keep on practicing it and it will work out for you. Thank you very much and keep subscribing.